Folks, we're watching the Wednesday, Thursday system. There it is right there coming in. It's a Texas low, and you can see that moisture being pulled up out of the Gulf of Mexico. Severe thunderstorms stateside, and this continues to push up towards us. Now, of course, the track is hugely important because our temperatures are so close to zero right now. If this system, the center of the system, were to land right about there, we would be on the cold side. So Toronto is right there. Toronto would be on the cold side. This would be a snow event. It would be a little bit easier to forecast. So that's not what's going to happen. In fact, we are thinking the center will push through right about there, and that puts us very close to the rain snow line. So precipitation type is expected to change throughout this system. Travel delays are imminent tomorrow and through parts of Thursday as well. This is one forecast model. This is the Canadian model, the GEM-REG or regional model, and this is putting us into the snow. I like that. I like that solution for Toronto, 3 to 6 centimeters worth. I don't like the fact that this freezing rain is so far to the west in the morning. I would like to see it pushed further over the Niagara Escarpment right here. This red area, though, this is where we do have freezing rain warnings, and I'll show you that in just a second. These are warnings as of about 5:37 p.m. on Tuesday. As the day goes on, all the models are hinting that we are going to switch over to rain, so that's the good news. The thing that they're not agreeing on is how long the freezing rain will be in effect and how much ice pellets will mix in as well. And we will get back into this, the snow, come Thursday as the system starts to exit out to Atlantic Canada, and we'll get ourselves into the backside of that. So in Toronto, this is Toronto, okay? This is not Vaughan, this is not Markham, this is not the Oshawa forecast. This is Toronto, mainly south of Finch. We've got that morning snow, 3 to 6 centimeters. This is the heavy wet snow, right? Mixed with ice pellets midday, and then the heaviest of the rain is expected through the evening hours tomorrow before getting lighter tomorrow night. Another couple of centimeters coming as we head through Thursday. Okay, these are the watches and warnings. And again, this is as of 5:37 p.m. So if you are watching this many hours later, this will likely change. Winter storm watches for Caledon, Newmarket northward. Warnings for Barrie northward, over 15 centimeters likely there. There are your freezing rain warnings for Goderich, Listowel, and then rainfall warnings for Niagara. And that ground is frozen, right? So we are talking about 25 plus millimeters of rain on frozen ground. It's going to have a hard time looking for somewhere to go. These two purple areas forecast ice buildup 2 to 5 mils, okay, up over higher elevations outside of the city, not including Vaughan. Could see some trace amounts out here through Markham. What do these numbers mean? 2 to 5 mils of ice. Well, it's more of a nuisance, okay? That puts us in this range right here. Once you start getting over 6 millimeters is when things could become disruptive. This has the potential to add enough weight to start bringing tree limbs down and potential power outages as well. So you got to tune into breakfast television, especially in the morning. Look at this. I got red for both commutes tomorrow, a yellow and a red for the commutes on Thursday. So BT will have you covered. I've got you covered in the afternoon on 680 News. And of course, Adam Stiles has you covered on City News as well, right through the night tomorrow. And tune in. We'll keep you covered.